Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Lowy Strong, Kyle Lowy, the stock guy, the hoodie guy, whatever you want to call me. Guys, thank you for tuning into my first video on how to learn how to make a Charles Schwab account. This video I'm going to be diving into how to buy and how to sell stocks. I'm going to explain the differences between a market order and a limit order. I'm just going to help you guys understand what you're really going to be seeing. It's not going to be in a live market, so the numbers will be staying still for you, which may make it easier to understand and kind of grasp the idea of how to buy and sell. If what I'm giving you is valuable and you're learning, do me a favor, subscribe, hit the like, and turn your notifications on. So anytime that I do make a video, you guys will be alerted right away, all right? So like, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it, guys. I'm really trying to grow my channel. I wanna help educate you guys and just give you everything that I've learned, okay? I've literally studied over 100+ hours during quarantine the first time in the stock market, and that is strictly it. So I've gotten a lot of knowledge. I'm in no way a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do, how to sell, when to sell, why to sell, what stock to sell, nothing like that. I'm just simply going over how to buy and sell. And in this example for the video, I'll be using Apple because it's a common stock. People know what it is. It's a relatively expensive stock, so we don't have to do too many shares to get the idea across. But with all that being said, I'm gonna dive in, we're gonna switch screens. I'm gonna show you guys how to buy, how to sell, get right to the point. Hope you enjoy. Here we go. All right, guys, we are in, okay? So let me just explain where we're at, okay? So we are logged into Charles Schwab. You guys saw my last video, you know how to log in. We're gonna go to trade. All right, so I'll just click this again. Remember, all we're doing is just buying and selling. The difference between a market and a limit, that is all, okay? So real quick, let's just explain what we're seeing. So sort of here at the top, the money you have available as your buying power, what you can use to buy with, is $38.15. That's what I have in the account just right now. Now you're gonna go to your symbol and you're gonna type in, let's just say Apple, A-P-P-L-E. You can either type this in, if you know the symbol, you can type it in, or you can just type in Apple and it'll pop up. Now, we're going to leave the strategy as a stock ETF. We could do options here, but we're not going to. So stock ETF. Now, Apple's price is at $131.96. When the market is live, guys, what I'm showing you right now, the market's already closed, so the numbers aren't gonna be moving. They're just gonna be stuck right here, okay? So the bid and the ask is located right here. And today it ranged from $130.21 to $136.74. And over the last year, it's ranged from $53 to $145, okay? So that's how you read all of this. It opened at $135 and it closed at $137. There was over 177 million trades today. That's the volume. Now, when we come to the action, we're going to pick either buy or sell, and that's it. Okay, so we're not going to do sell short. The reason for sell short, what's today? It is January 29th, 2021. Today is when AMC, GameStop, Wall Street versus the retailers are happening, and Wall Street is trying to sell short. Now, when you sell short, you're betting on the stock to go down, and you're borrowing margin, you're borrowing shares to do so. If you are wrong, you have to buy your way back in to cover your short, and that will lead to a short squeeze. So we're not even gonna worry about it, okay? So for right now, let's hit buy. We're not gonna do 100 shares because at $131, that's gonna be a lot of money. Let's just do 5 shares. Now you have the difference between a market order, a limit order, stop, stop limit, and trailing stop. These bottom 3, I don't ever use. That's just me, never used them. It's only market order or limit order. Now the market order, like I said, the market's closed, but the market order is gonna get you in right away at whatever price the ask is at. If the ask is at 135, the bid is at 131, you'll probably be entered around 134 or 135, okay? Now, with that market order, you can hit day only or good until canceled or good until 60 days. When you do market order, like I said, you're gonna be fulfilled right away, so it doesn't really matter when you do your timing. If you do a limit order, what a limit order does is it says, hey, Apple's at $131 right now. I do not want to get in until Apple is at $125. I don't care if it's 126, I don't want to get in until it's 125. So you would hit limit 125, and if you want this trade to execute in the day, because you think it's going to hit, then it will execute during the day. Now, you could also hit good until canceled. I love hitting this because it gives you 60 days for the stock to go down to 125. And if it does, perfect. You can literally hit this, hit place order, review order, and let it sit. And then you could check it 10 days from now. And if it hit at 125, now you have 5 shares of Apple. Okay? So limit order allows you to limit when you get in. If you want to get in at a higher price, I don't know why you would, but if you want to get at 135, you can get it at 135. You would pay $675 for 5 shares at $135 per share. At 125, you're paying $625 per share. And that's it. Okay, so you're gonna buy 5 shares. We're gonna limit it at $125. Good until canceled, and review order. Now the market's closed, so we're not gonna get it, but it's just gonna ask you to verify, and you would hit place order right here. Okay, that is how you buy anything, any stock. Okay, now let's practice selling. Hit trade again. This will also already be in your account, but simply put, we'll call Apple. Go here. We're gonna hit sell. We're gonna hit our 5 shares. It will realize that we have 5 shares, and you'll be able to sell your 5. We're gonna limit it at $140, so this way we get profit from 125. We entered at $625. So if we limit 140, and then whenever it hits 140, in the next 60 days, if you want, you'll profit $75. Easy as that. You hit review, and as soon as that's fulfilled, you are out of the stock. You sold, okay? And if you want to get out right away, market order right away. You're like, oh my God, Apple's where I needed to be. I got my money, sell. Boom, review order, and sell, okay? Guys, that's how you buy, that's how you sell. It's very simple. I just wanted to outlay and relay everything that's on this so it doesn't look so confusing after your first time seeing it, okay? So good luck, and what I'm gonna do, I'll have another video coming out explaining options, and that'll be calls and puts. It's gonna be a little bit longer of a video, it's a little bit longer to explain. I personally like doing options on Robinhood, like I said in my first video, but I will review and show you both on Robinhood and on Charles Schwab how to do options, okay? That is everything. Good luck with your buying and selling. And remember, you don't lose or you don't make money until you buy and sell your stock, all right? So all right, guys, so that is everything you need to know about buying and selling. A market order and a limit order. Like I told you, I'll keep this video nice and short. If you found this video valuable, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment any questions. If you have questions, I'd be happy to answer. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm here for you guys, all right? My goal is to help educate and make sure you know what you're doing in the stock market, all right? So with all that being said, good luck, and with my next video, stay tuned. I'm gonna be talking about puts and call options, and I'm gonna be reviewing it on Robinhood and Charles Schwab so you get an idea of how to do it on both platforms. Until then, good luck, and I'll see you next time.